Imagine if you could deliver the right data at the right time to the right people. Imagine having precise insights to make critical project decisions. Imagine being future-ready and resilient. With Digital Project Delivery, or DPD, these aren't just aspirations, but achievable realities for you and your team today. DPD is a cloud-based collaboration process for the building and infrastructure industry. It seamlessly connects people, data, and workflows in a common data environment across the entire project lifecycle. By centralizing data from multiple sources, DPD ensures all stakeholders have access to the right information in the right format when you need it. This integrated approach leads to better quality, greater productivity, and on-time, on-budget delivery. Your team can standardize data and workflows, enabling interoperability. They can design and iterate in parallel, protecting intellectual property and reducing file conversions. Project updates are visible, changes are easily managed, and issues are resolved efficiently. And the benefits don't stop there. Digital Project Delivery is transforming the AECO industry. Architects, engineers, builders, and owners work with shared models and plans, ensuring they always have the most current project details. This dynamic and controllable digital space allows you to maximize your talent pool, offering flexibility in resource planning and a competitive edge in attracting and retaining valuable team members. Are you ready to revolutionize your project delivery?